If you're trying to eat a little bit healthier, but you still want food that's easy and tastes delicious, these Mediterranean veggie wraps are my easiest lunch I make. The secret is my grandmother's authentic Lebanese hummus with just a touch of Za'atar seasoning. They are also perfect to take away to outdoor movies or picnics, and summer is just around the corner. Hi, I'm Kat. Welcome to my kitchen. Let's start by making my grandmother's authentic Lebanese hummus. Drain 1 can of garbanzo beans, rinse them really well. Now chop up 1 to 2 cloves of garlic and smash that together with 1/2 teaspoon of salt. This step's really important. If you don't have a pestle, it's okay to use the back of a spoon. I'm using slightly more garlic than I would for a traditional hummus in this recipe because it's a wrap. Add the juice of 1 whole lemon to a measuring cup or bowl and mix in 2 tablespoons of a really good quality tahini. Add your garlic, salt mixture, and your tahini lemon mixture to your food processor. Pulse it till it's mixed and then turn it on till it's blended up together really well. I promised to show you my grandma's authentic Lebanese hummus recipe. This recipe came all the way from Lebanon with my grandma in the early 1900s, but this version is definitely a little thicker than I would make it if I was making it traditionally or for a dip. I'm using this in a wrap and I don't want my wrap to be mushy. If you wanted to make it the traditional way, I would have added in a little bit of that bean liquid to get it nice and smooth, and then I would top it with olive oil and fresh parsley. If you want the exact directions on how to make it completely authentic, I do have a video on that you can find on my YouTube channel. Za'atar is a Middle Eastern spice blend that gives these wraps their unique flavor. I'm gonna mix about 1/8 cup of Za'atar seasoning with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and just a dash of sugar, about 1/2 teaspoon. The veggies you use are really a personal choice. The ones I've chosen add a great balance of sweetness and crunch. I love to use red pepper for its sweetness. I like to start with a base of romaine or green leaf lettuce. Cucumber gives a great crunch and is excellent for your skin. Red onion gives a little bit of a bite, and tomatoes add in a great source of vitamin C and also some sweetness. I'm using Lavash bread because I think it goes perfectly with this Middle Eastern wrap, but honestly, these taste good on any kind of wrap, and you could even make them on sourdough or rye bread, and they're equally as delicious. Put down a layer of lettuce, a few generous dollops of hummus for protein, a generous layer of Za'atar, spread that out. Add your red peppers, your cucumbers, a little bit of red onion, and finally your tomatoes. Gently roll that up. The best thing about this is I have extra veggies and extra hummus, so I can make these all week for my lunches. I just store this in the fridge and wrap them the morning that I'm ready to eat them. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you're looking for more Lebanese recipes, check out my playlist that's all my grandmother's authentic Lebanese recipes. And I hope to see you next time on Kat's Vegan Kitchen.